madali kang mabudol.
Madali, sobrang madali. Nung naubos ko yung isang bottle na yun,
Mm.
dun ko lang, naisipan na i-check siya sa FDA site.
Mm.
I found out na hindi siya FDA approved.
Stay informed, stay safe, and keep talking about pills. Hey there, welcome to the first episode of the Pill Talks podcast, a podcast series on online supplement awareness and consumer behavior. I'm here with our guest, Aaron Maligaya.
Hi,
He's
guys.
21, a freelancer in Taguig, and they've been buying supplements online for the past 3 years. Isn't that right,
Period.
Aaron?
Tama yan,
Nice
girl.
to meet you, and thank you
Thank
for
you.
coming here.
Sure, thank you guys for inviting me here.
I want to start with asking your confidence level. How confident are you that the supplements you buy online are safe and legitimate for the past 3 years?
Well, actually, i-rate ko siya ng 6 lang. Why? Because when I check online, nagre-refer talaga ako with ads. Actually, what ako yung isa sa pinaka-victim ng ads and mabilis akong maniwala kapag maganda yung ad. So, level 6. Thanks.
So, madali kang mabudol.
Madali. Sobrang madali.
You think by the end of this podcast, increase yung confidence level mo?
Siguro.
Sana, no? Let's make that
Yes,
a
yes,
goal.
yes.
So, would you say ngayon, nag-check ka ng, besides the FDA approval, the other information like ingredients, the dosage, that kind of stuff?
Yep. Hindi ako nagche-check talaga before, but right now,
Right now, yes.
yes.
Oo.
Very ano na ako.
So, what made you start checking these,
I'm already 21 years old, you
21.
know, parang siyempre, I have to know
Yeah.
everything. Lahat ng tinitake ko, of course, and especially ano, supplements. Also, kahit skincare, guys,
Mm.
sobrang mapili na ako. So, yep, I check the ingredients. I also check if it's FDA approved, of course.
Yeah.
And yun lang, ganun lang.
So, with checking FDA approval, you go to the actual site and check there?
Yes, I go to the actual site, and I also check sa ibang shops pa ha. If I buy online, I also check sa ibang platform, of course, Shopee, Lazada, also website. And website for FDA approved na supplements, check din natin siya dun actually.
It's interesting to note that you're already an avid checker of the ingredients, the FDA approval, all of the more finer details. But why would you rate yourself a confidence level of 6?
Right now, before 6, no? But right now,
Mm.
siguro 8 or something.
Right.
I'm sorry with my previous answer. Siguro before 6 talaga ako. But right now, I can say na I'm 8.
Yeah.
Well, because I check na.
You
Ayun.
check now. Did you use any of your platforms to talk about your experience na hindi siya umepekto sa'yo?
Actually hindi, hindi naman ako nakapag-post or, you know, share pa sa iba. Actually dito lang sa platform na 'to. So
Mm.
guys, thank you for inviting me here. At least, 'di ba, share ko yung experience ko na hindi nag-take effect yung ganitong mga products.
3 years.
Oo. At least makatulong ako, 'di ba?
Yeah.
But yeah, hindi ako na-post online.
Mm. What about like reviews? Kasi usually when you buy, 'di ba, direct ka na sa reviews and then it's easy. Then you get points pa.
Takes a lot of time kasi. Siyempre kailangan kong maubos yung isang bottle for me to do a review. So hindi na ate,
Hindi na.
oo, hindi na talaga.
So yung ibang reviews parang 5 stars kasi maganda lang yung packaging.
Maganda lang yung packaging, ano lang, naano lang ako, wow, ang cute ng pill, you know.
Cute ng pill, delivered quickly, same.
5 stars na siya agad, 'di ba?
Well, after that 'no, siguro hindi ka pa nakapag-review, hindi ka nakapag-share, but napansin mo sa sarili mo na hindi siya umepekto. Did that make you curious? Did that make you check FDA, for FDA approval?
Oo naman. Actually, here's the thing, guys. Nung naubos ko yung isang bottle na yun,
Mm.
dun ko lang, naisipan na i-check siya sa FDA site.
Mm.
Now, I found out na hindi siya FDA approved. And I was like, girl, naubos mo na siya. Tapos ngayon ko lang chinek, hindi pala
Kaya
siya FDA
pala.
approved. So, pero walang epekto, hindi man lang ako nagugutom. Di ba? Kasi mostly ng mga multivitamins, ganun talaga yung side effect. Oh, gutom ka for you to be, you know, for you, para kumain, maging energetic, ganito ganyan. And the vitamins, of course. So, nung chinek ko, hindi siya FDA approved. Yeah.
How much do you trust their recommendations given your experience? Let's do a comparison
Okay.
before and now.
Okay, so before, I trust influencers a lot because syempre they live the,
Yeah.
the modest the modest life or like, they
Yeah.
live in a life, fantasy gano'n.
Okay.
First, parang I believe them. Also sa skincare, guys, no? Hindi na
Mm-mm.
naman sa mga supplements. And naniniwala talaga ako sa kanila. Siguro 99%
Like,
naniniwala ako sa kanila. But right now, I have my own decision. I am old na old.
oh,
I am ano din, matanda naman na din ako. And
mm-mm.
I have my own decision. So, yeah, I only trust what is, legit
It's legit.
right now. So, yun lang.
The fact check pa
Fact
talaga.
check tayo talaga, guys.
But on the note or on the topic of influencers, did you ever like check their posts kung sponsored ba siya? Did it ever cross your mind to check kung sponsored ba siya? Kung binabayaran sila para i-promote yung supplement? And did that ever make you think kung may deeper purpose pa or like may hidden agenda?
Yeah. Siguro right now, if nakita ko sa video na sponsored siya, of course, maiisip ko na agad na this is a paid ad.
Yeah.
Nangyari siya to do this.
Mm.
Pero before kasi, hindi ko na siya pinapansin.
Pinapansin.
Oo. Tingin lang ako ng mga videos about the product and I feel like, okay na siya, yun, bilhin ko na siya. But
Yeah.
right now, once na makita ko na agad na this is a paid advertisement, mababother na ako and check ko talaga yung product if gustong-gusto ko siyang bilhin, 'di ba?
That's great. I
Yep.
think ang dami mong growth in the past.
Thank you, thank you.
How are you feeling about that? How does that make you feel? What are your overall thoughts?
Well, first, I am very happy because, very aware na ako.
Yeah.
And alam ko na kung paano siya i-check kasi we have
Mm.
the FDA portal. Also, hindi na ako agad nabubudol. So, yeah, my first reaction is, of course, happy ako with my growth. But siguro kung mababalikan ko yung ako before, I'm gonna be sad kasi nasayang yung money ko. Yun lang,
Sayang.
oo.
Mag-activity tayo.
Okay, I'm excited. Ano
You're
yan?
excited? You ready?
I
Okay, our
am.
activity is the balance game. And have you ever heard of
Balance
that?
game. No.
Balance game? Well, let's get into it, no?
Okay, let's go.
The balance game is actually our version of Would You Rather e-commerce supplement edition.
Yeah.
Period. And how it's gonna go is that I'm going to present to you two options and then choose one and tell us why you chose that option.
Okay.
Pretty simple, no?
Yes.
Let's start. Let's go.
Let's
Okay.
go.
First, would you rather buy a supplement from a seller with 10,000 and more five-star reviews but no FDA registration number visible, or a new seller with only 50 reviews but FDA registration number is clearly displayed in the photos?
Ooh. Of course, dun ako sa new seller na may 50 reviews but FDA registered. So, 'di ba? Aanhin ko yung 10,000 reviews and 5-star if it's not gonna, work with me. So, dun ako sa FDA approved.
Doon ka sa hip.
Yes.
Better safe than sorry.
Safe than sorry.
Kaso yung 10,000
Oo nga,
reviews na yan.
makakain ko ba yun, girl? Hindi naman.
Malay mo, 'di ba, like mga bot accounts yun.
Oo,
Diba?
we're not
Hindi
sure.
tayo sure. But sure tayo sa verification.
The FDA.
Let's go to the next one. Would you rather buy your favorite pre-workout for 800 pesos with FDA registration verified, or the same pre-workout for 450 pesos but can't find the FDA registration number?
Well, as long as it FDA registered, bibilin ko yun, girl. So, kahit 800 pesos siya compared sa 450, so halos kalahati, di ba? Kung
Yeah.
800 siya, bibilin ko siya because it's FDA approved.
It's
Right?
FDA approved.
Period.
Period. Now let's go to the next one. Would you rather buy a supplement recommended by your favorite fitness influencer with 500,000 followers but no FDA check mentioned, or buy a supplement you found yourself, verified the FDA registration, but no influencer endorsement?
I have, specific content creator or like fitness
Yeah.
content influencer na talagang, crush ko siya siguro.
Oo.
Di joke. Pero of course, kailangan natin i-check yung binebenta niyang product. So, dun pa rin ako sa FDA registered. So, kahit na, kahit na hindi siya promote ng favorite influencer ko or fitness influencer ko, as long as I check na sa FDA portal, I check it myself sa FDA portal na approve yung product na ito, yun yung bibilin ko.
Hindi ka ba nahirapan sa question na 'to? Like you said, you have like your
Low-key.
influencers that you follow.
Siguro low-key kasi I have parang specific fitness
Oo.
fitness
And
crush na
it's not like
influencer.
you're doing
And it's
wrong
so
naman
sad.
talaga, 'di ba?
Hindi, joke lang. Gusto pa rin tayo sa registered, guys.
Yeah.
Makinig kayo sa akin.
Now let's move on to the next one. Would you rather spend 2 minutes verifying FDA registration before adding to cart or skip verification and check out immediately because nag-rush ka?
Aanhin mo naman yung ano, 'di ba, yung 2 minutes, 'di ba?
Mm,
Kung
2
mache-check mo
minutes.
naman talaga na this is legit and this is safe. So, I will spend my 2 minutes verifying the product muna talaga.
That's so right. We spend our time doing so many other things. Ano
Period.
naman ang 2 minutes,
Oo
'di
nga.
ba?
Yep.
And another one for you.
Okay.
Would you rather buy from a Shopee mall or a preferred seller badge but no FDA registration visible? Or would you buy from a regular seller with no special badge but FDA registration number is clearly shown and verified?
You know what, guys? I used to buy on Shopee kasi sa Shopee maraming
Yeah.
mga registered malls na talaga,
Mm-mm.
even yung mga famous brands. So, in this case or in this scenario, siguro dun pa rin ako sa FDA registered kahit na regular seller lang siya. As long as I check na this is FDA approved, I'll go for it.
Yeah.
Period.
But what if we can get the best of both worlds? Both may
Siguro.
badge tapos may
Yes.
FDA. That would be the best, no?
Legit na legit.
Legit na legit
Legit kung
talaga.
legit.
Legit na legit
Yes.
talaga. And I think that is it for our
Period.
films. Period. Indeed. And on that note, we are done with the segment, the activity segment. Would you rather or the
Period.
balance game e-commerce supplements edition? It's time to wrap up our podcast and
Hala,
talks
ayoko.
here. Ayaw
Mas
pa.
joke lang.
Huwag ka na umalis. Dito ka na lang.
Joke lang,
Gusto
joke.
lang tayo.
Okay, let's go.
And to everyone watching or listening, if this conversation resonated with you, take 5 minutes today to check the supplements you have at home. On that note, we'll link to the FDA verification portal in the description. It's free, it's easy, and it could literally save your health. Until next time, stay informed, stay safe, and keep talking about pills.
Bakit ka tumatawag? Tapos sinabi ng kuya ko, yung nanay natin bumili ng supplement. So, tinype ko yung brand name niya. Then, walang lumabas. So, ibig sabihin, hindi siya registered.
That's suspicious behavior.
Yeah, that's still an answer, which is no.
Yes.